Sudha Murthy is a well-known Indian personality and she has a lot of contribution towards the India's development. So let's know something more about her. So let's start. Sudha Murthy was born on 19th of August in 1950 in Shigaon in Karnataka. She completed her education in engineering and later obtained a degree in English literature. After completing her education, she worked as a computer scientist and engineer at the IIT Kanpur. Sudha Murthy began her writing career in 1974 and has since authored over 100 books across various genres such as fiction, non-fiction, and children's literature. She has also translated books from Kannada to English. In 1996, she established the Infosys Foundation. We all know about Infosys. Infosys focuses on various philanthropic activities in the areas of education, rural development, and public health. Some of her notable works include How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Other Stories, The Old Man and His God, Wise and Otherwise, and The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk. These are the great books. Sudha Murthy has received numerous awards from honors for her contributions to literature and social work. Some of these include the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan awards and the Rajlakshmi Award from Sri Rajlakshmi Foundation, Chennai in 2011. Sudha Murthy continues to be a respected voice in Indian literature and social work, and her contributions have had a significant impact on the literacy and social landscape of India.